There we go, that looks a little bit better. Okay, as you guys can see by the title of this video, this is going to be a try-on tutorial review first impression video. I am trying out the Lilly Lashes, and I already have a pair here that I've been using. So what I want to do in this video is show you guys how I cut the lashes down to my eye size and then apply them. And yeah, so let's just get started. I wonder, is the camera like crooked? I don't know, I feel like it's crooked. Okay. So I have my mirror here, so I will be looking down. I also have the glue from Lilly Lashes here, and I have my little scissors that I use to cut. The one I've been using is LA, and as you guys can tell, I've already trimmed them down. Yes, one is longer than the other. I have here Houston, and that is what Houston looks like, and it's very, what is the word? Wispy is what the word I was looking for was. And these are more full, and these are in San Diego, and that's what those look like. And Atlanta is a little bit of both. The one I've been loving is LA, and these are also wispy. My favorite lashes are wispy lashes. And if you guys don't know what wispy are, they are more of the ones that are kind of longer than others. They have like that effect where, like, you know, they're not all even and they're not all just like looking full. They just look more natural to me. So we will get into it. And if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you like this lipstick, lip gloss. It looks darker on camera, but I swear it's... And also, I do want to let you guys know, you guys will be seeing in a video my self-tanner routine. I've applied self-tanner, and this is what it looks like. I also wanted to mention that over my spray tan or my self-tanner, I have this glowing lotion. So if you guys want a tutorial on how to glow during quarantine, because we can't do much right now, let me know in the comments below. Write me a DM, whatever you guys want to do. Let's just get right into it because I'm super excited to do this. I've been loving lashes lately, so yeah. So the first one I'm going to start with are Houston, and I really just wanted to try these out because these I feel like are going to be my second fave, if not first, because I do like the wispy look. So what I typically do is take them out of their packaging, and you have obviously a left and a right. So I'm going to take this, and I am going to cut more in the, if you guys can see, more in the inner corner of the eye. I don't care too much for the corner of my eye to be like full of like lashes or anything of the sort. I like the ends of my eyes to have more of that full effect. So I will trim this. So I will like kind of measure and see where it would fall really into place. So I'm going to trim that off. This is what you're left with. So that little bit, like I said, guys, I have super small eyes. So having these eyelashes on my eyes, or having, you know, obviously having the entire lash without trimming it down doesn't look too good on me. So, and if you guys have noticed in my other video, you have seen me apply them and it just didn't look right. So I'm gonna take some of my glue and apply it to the lashes, and you want to focus more on the outer corner of your eye or of the lash. So, and then you're just gonna let it dry. So after it's dried a little bit, then you want to apply it to your eye. So like I said, I apply it more in the outer corner of my eye. And I feel like when I have them shorter like this, they're a lot easier to control as opposed to having them like the whole entire lash, because they are so big. So when I trim them down, they just are easier to control. And I do want to say that this glue is amazing. You don't need a lot of it, and also it leaves it very tacky. So I'm going to trim the other side now, and you can use, so what I'm doing right now is I'm using this little guy as a guide. Apply the glue and let it dry. So do you guys see what I'm talking about? My eyes are just so small that like when I do lashes, it just doesn't look right. But you know, you always, like, I like to change things up. I like to wear lashes and feel beautiful. Like, I feel beautiful with or without them, but you know, sometimes you just want to try something different. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer, that way you guys can see. You guys see how easy it is to apply? Literally, you don't have to fight with them. They apply so easy, and it helps to also look down like at your mirror and stuff. So what I usually do is kind of brush them around a little bit just to kind of see how I like them to appear. And obviously, as you guys can tell, like there is a little bit of a difference or like a notice right there. So you can also, what I've done before is take your scissors and kind of lightly and carefully trim them down. That way they don't appear to be like harsh, if that makes sense. But be careful, do not cut your own lashes. So you can also do this. I didn't do it too much, but that way you guys kind of get the idea. Go ahead and practice on like an old pair or like a cheaper pair. But that is what Houston looks like. So now that you've seen Houston, let's move on. Be very careful when you remove your eyelashes. Let's start first with Atlanta, and Atlanta is a mix between the wispy. Atlanta kind of looks similar to San Diego. You guys tell me what you guys think. I feel like Atlanta's a little bit shorter. San Diego is just like too long. But we'll see. We'll see if it works. That is what they look like. So let's see. I'm gonna take the left one first to apply this. These are kind of cute. These are cute. Wow, these are cute. Okay, so guys, these are Atlanta. And I don't know if I mentioned, but these lashes were $11.99 each on LillyLashes.com. I don't know that she's still doing this sale, but I ended up getting all of these for $11.99, and the glue itself was like $13, I think. But these are Atlanta, and these are super cute. I look like a little girl. These are cute. I like these a lot. Okay, now I'm going to remove these guys. And now we have San Diego. And let me take it out so you guys can see. So that is San Diego. These are cute too. They kind of look very similar to the ones before, which one were those? Oh, Atlanta. Yeah, they're very similar to Atlanta. Wow, these are way too long. You guys see what I'm talking about when I say my eyes are too small? I don't like these. These I don't like. These I don't think I will wear. Too much. I think these are way too much. These are not cute at all. But let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like San Diego? These are San Diego. That's what they look like. They don't look too bad on camera. I mean, they don't look that bad actually. They're just super long and I'm not used to it. But let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like these? I'm gonna take San Diego off and I'm going to show you guys what LA looks like. And these, I already told you guys, are my favorite. They look the most natural on me, so I would prefer to wear these unless I can find another pair, but I do like Houston too, so I'm not gonna. Let me get close so you guys can see. And I've already kind of trimmed these, but you guys have seen these in another video. I think it was my James Charles video, and I did like what they looked like. Okay, that's what LA looks like. This one looks better than this one. This one I still need to work on a little bit because I don't know what's going on with that one. But this is what LA looks like. These are the ones that I've been wearing consistently. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram, it is down below. Follow me on Twitter, it is down below in the description bar. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend.